I'm Sandro, Jacobellis. I'm part of the mechanical engineering team for NASA's Psyche Mission 2 MSD project. Our design here is a power generation system for an exploration device on asteroid Psyche, and here's the closing mechanism that we've designed.
My name is Weitz. I'm another member of the mechanical engineering team here on the NASA Psyche Mission 2. We have three major functions for our design here. Our first major function is this debris removal system using this nozzle centrally mounted on the panels. It uses compressed air, or in our case nitrogen in space, to power debris off of the panels, clearing them off to generate power. Our second major function is the opening and closing mechanism, which you just saw. And our third is the tilt mechanism, which allows us to track the sun and generate the maximum amount of power on an asteroid so far away it gets 30% of the energy we get here on Earth.
Hi, I'm Logan Culver. I'm one of the computer engineers on the NASA Psyche Mission 2 MSD project. One of the big things I did is I simulated mission control on Earth. So I created a Python GUI that goes and tells what the solar panel voltage is, what the battery percentage is, what the power being generated is, and what the tilt angle of the device is. So we can also manually change the tilt angle. We can also activate the compressed air, open and close the panels, switch into the autonomous mode that will be talked about later, and run the solar tracking algorithm.
Hi, my name is Smickle. I'm one of the computer engineers on this project. One of the key features of our device is an autonomous mode. This would simulate when the device is on this asteroid itself. It has some onboard capabilities, so it'll clear the dust every day or so, and then on a longer period of time, it'll track the sun as it moves. Here we have a simulation of how that would look. Right now, it'll open and close the panels every 2 minutes or so. And here it is opening the panels. After this, it's gonna tilt to both ends of our capabilities. So we'll go to 22 degrees and then negative 22 degrees. After it tilts all the way, it'll go back to its zero position and it'll activate that dust clearing mechanism. And then to wrap up the demo mode, it just returns back to zero tilt and closes the panels.
Hi, I'm Schoeppach. I'm the electrical engineer on Psyche Mission 2. For our power solution, we decided to go with an array of 12 solar panels. We did cut that down to 6 for budgetary reasons. So in order to support that panel array, we went with an MPPT controller in order to make sure the solar panels are getting to their maximum power point all the time. And it would also manage a battery pack. Here for this demo, we're running it off of the DC power supply. And in addition, in order to save power, a power board was constructed which can cut off power to both motors and can monitor power generation and the battery voltage.
Thanks for watching our video. That's so